Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am in Sophia's room and I've got some deep cleaning to do. I think I talked about it in a previous video that Sean and I are gonna really try this year to, oh dear, declutter our house just a little bit and really declutter with a purpose. We wanna kind of move towards a more minimalist lifestyle and, just simplify our lives. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in each room. I'm gonna take one room at a time because I think that's a lot easier to do than like trying to just hop around to different rooms and do one task in each room. If you really kind of just focus on one room, get that room done, and then move to the next, I think that's gonna be easier. And then on top of that, I'm gonna follow the same method that I follow whenever I clean my house, where I start at the back of the house and work my way forward. And I usually always start in Sophia's room. So, I don't think, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but she's 3. And I don't know if that's a lot of stuff. Don't mind my tripod. But it feels like a lot of stuff. And she not only has this room with all of her toys, but she has a bin in the living room. And then the entire downstairs, which I don't think I've ever shown you guys, is a playroom. So the girl's fine. She's got a lot of toys and honestly, let me just show you guys. Do you see that box right there? That box is full of toys that I had cleaned out. I had cleaned out already and I put it in the living room to take it to the donation place a while ago, right? And then Sophia found it and started thought it was like a brand new box of toys. So then she started playing with everything. And then the box migrated back into her room. So I'm going to give myself a for effort and an F for follow through because I didn't follow through with that. And hence why it's back here. So I'm going to take you guys along with me with this cleaning video. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I also wanted to tell you guys really quickly. So this may or may not be my second Starbucks for the day. I don't want to talk about it, but I wanted to let you guys in on a secret. So this coffee, this is a venti, which is the largest size. Well, technically it's a Trenta is the largest size, but most drinks they only make in a venti. This is iced coffee with the sweet cream foam, and it tastes like, it's great. It's great. It's like iced coffee, but it's got that sweet, like ice creamy foam to it. It was only like $3 for a venti. I mean, how do you say no to that? So I'm gonna keep drinking away my coffee, and hopefully, since this is my second dose of the day, that will help me kind of get through this room. So let's just roll on into the cleaning.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
So I just wanted to hop on really quickly because I know I'm probably going to get questions about why I'm undoing the bed and then going to put the same sheets back on the bed. And it is just to add her waterproof cover to her mattress. Her sheets we washed literally the night before, but we forgot to put those protectors on the bed. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that really quickly. She's been doing fantastic without having accidents. I would say that she is potty trained 100%, but it's still a safety net just in case, something does happen. She is only 3, so accidents will happen. So it's better safe than sorry. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those on and then put the clean sheets back on the bed. And I wanted to let you guys know, I got this bed at IKEA. I think for the bed and the mattress, It was probably about $150, and that's probably on the high end. And we did that on purpose. I didn't want to get like a big, expensive toddler bed for a couple of reasons. One, we could not find anything that was low enough to the ground that I felt comfortable with. And she has not rolled out of this bed, but it just is a fear of mine that it could happen sometimes. So we wanted something low, and she's a toddler. She's stuck stickers on there. There's a couple crayon marks, so I really wasn't looking to spend a whole lot of money on something I knew would get wear and tear by a toddler. So I got that bed at IKEA, and if I can find it, I'll leave it linked below for you as well.
We'll come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
And I'm just finishing up these cubby baskets and going through all of her books and taking out the seasonal ones, because we do have seasonal books that we like to keep and read for her. And so I was just taking those out and organizing her books and making sure that I, give her plenty of options. I think it's so important to make sure your kiddos have all the reading material. I would rather her have a room full of books than toys, but I know that toys are equally important for brain development and playing, but I just love seeing her read and enjoying her books. So I love having books available for her and her grabbing them and reading them. We also got her a back in the day, like a Hooked on Phonics type of thing to help her start learning how to read. It's so crazy to watch their little brains and watch them learn, because she's 3 now and she can identify letters. If they're on a piece of paper, she can tell you what letter they are, and it's just so crazy. So now I'm going through all of her stuffed animals. The girl has so many stuffed animals. It's crazy. And I know for a fact she doesn't use them all, but I'm not even sure how we ended up with this many stuffed animals. So I'm quickly going through and identifying the ones that I know she does not even know exist. And then I'm setting those aside and I'll donate those. And then I'm also setting aside the ones that I want to keep for her keepsake box, because there are some really special ones in there that were given to her as presents or little gifts that I cannot part with at all. And then from there, I'm going to put the rest of them back in her basket that I know that she uses every once in a while. And then we'll try and sift through them again later. And then I'm just vacuuming that area before I put that basket back down. And then I'll just do my regular cleaning the windows and the, dusting and all of that. And then we'll be almost done.
It's all about you. It's all about you.
Guys, so I have officially finished Sophia's room. I'm really happy with the way it looks. Now I'm gonna say this. I got rid of, I have 3 boxes, 1 to donate, 1 for trash, and then 1 for Sophia's keepsake box. So there's still quite a bit of stuff. And I just feel like I'm nervous. It's no joke, like trying to just, minimalize everything. It feels a lot better in here. It doesn't feel as cluttered, which is great. And that's what I wanted. I wanted her room, just like the rest of our house, to be peaceful and welcoming, and not just like you walk in and your head immediately goes, ugh. So I am happy with that. I am happy with these cubbies that we got. They aren't really like super full, which is good. I did get rid of quite a few things. But I do think that I still have probably another round to go to really kind of see what she plays with, and then things that she's not really interested in, I'll just kind of sneakily pull those out of her room and hope she doesn't notice. And the same thing with the stuffed animals. I got rid of a bunch of stuffed animals. There's still a lot in there, but she rotates her stuffed animals that she sleeps with like constantly. So I know for a fact that she has used all of these stuffies to sleep with, but I'm going to see out of those which ones she really uses all the time, and then again kind of pull them out as I see that she's not using those. So I hope you enjoyed this road to minimalism and kind of decluttering our house one room at a time. If you're new here, again, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on that bell notification, because you won't get notified unless that bell notification is turned on. So make sure you do that. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.